welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Flower, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my party cap, aka a wig. So if you are interested in seeing my method of how I apply this bad boy, then keep on watching. Okay, so to start, I'm just going to be washing the lace front wig. It's been worn, so I need to clean it. So let's go through this process together. I like to use Herbal Essence. It doesn't matter what type of scent you pick or what type. I just use the brand Herbal Essence because it's amazing. And I like to wash my wigs with cold water. So you wash the lace front wig, you wash the inside, you wash the outside, all that good stuff. And I have a little trick that I do. It's not really a trick, but I take a hairbrush, which is a toothbrush low key, and I wash the front of the lace, and I wash it on the lace side to make sure you get all of the hair products that you use out of the lace without putting a lot of stress on the actual hair follicles. Not hair follicles, oh my goodness, the hair that's in the lace wig, okay? And then you're gonna put the conditioner on. Make sure you condition it well, the outside and the inside. I like to detangle using my tangle teaser. It's a tangle tamer, tangle tamer brush. This works amazing, and I like to detangle while the conditioner is in the hair. Then I rinse it with cold water, as you can see I'm doing right here. Okay, so I have this little trick that I do. I put a little bit more conditioner in the hair, and then I just rub it all through the hair, and then I actually let it air dry. So I leave the conditioner in, and this just helps it not to be frizzy and all that, and it keeps the hair smelling great. So that's like a little trick that I do with curly hair extensions only. Alright, so let's get into showing you guys how I apply my party cap. And let me just say, even though I'm looking like a small head bald head right now, let me just say that I am not a hairstylist, okay? So it is amateur night at the Apollo over here on today, but I'm just gonna show you guys what works for me and how I apply my lace wig since it was requested. So basically what you need, I really don't use a lot. I use my Kenra hairspray. I have a bigger one, but I'm just gonna show you the small one for right now. This is volume spray. It's super hold finishing spray, and the hold is 25. I think they go up to 40, but the big one is in a 25 too, so it's a small one. So you're gonna use that. I'm gonna be using my Echo Styler gel. This is grab any type of gel. I like this gel because it's alright. I like this gel because it does not have alcohol in it. So I use this, and I'm going to be using a hairbrush, like a toothbrush, but for your hair. Get like a little scarf, get like a little satin scarf or a bandana, whatever you use to tie your hair with. And of course, make sure you have on your pre-party cap. I use this is by Kiss, and this is the brown one, the dark. As you already can tell, I already have that on. Like I said, I look like a small head, bald head, and I have my Kendrick Lamar braids going to the back. So let's apply the wig. You guys already seen how I wash and condition the wig, so this is how the wig looks. I like to air dry, etc., etc. So it has a elastic band, so let's put this baby on. Okay, once she's on, let's adjust her and make sure the combs are right. Make sure she's comfortable. All the basic stuff. Mind you, I'm new to wearing wigs, and I just like to apply them this way because it's just easier for me. And I don't have to worry about like my edges and gel and tape and glue and all that stuff. Okay, so I'm going to take my Shrek ears, and I'm going to clip up the hairline so I can tack it down. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to use the gel, and I'm just going to use my finger And you see this space right here of just like the lace. I'm just gonna apply that gel right there. And blend that sucker in. We're gonna blend you in. And try to make you look like a real scalp girl. Ooh. Yeah, we're just gonna blend the lace in with the gel just like that. And we're just gonna blend it like so to make it look like real scalp, real skin as much as you possibly can. This is a lace wig, so of course you can detect it up close. I mean, it's not real hair, it's not a real scalp. This is mesh and net, so yeah, for people that always got something to say about that, I mean, it is a lace front. It's not a human scalp that you put on your head. So okay, so you're gonna take your hairspray, shake it up a little bit, and we're just gonna spray the outer edge like so. And this is just gonna work, this is going to work like a adhesive, like glue, but it's not really glue, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully I'm making sense in this video. I'm trying to concentrate and do this. Okay, so right now it's your time to decorate however you like to, whatever you want your front area to look like. Go ahead and take your brush and start decorating and swiveling and all that stuff that you might like to do. I don't really like to do too much anymore. I just kind of just want everything to just like lay down, kind of just be as natural as possible. I'm not really into all the swivels and swavels of what your hairline could possibly look like. That's just my preference, but go ahead and do what you're gonna do. Like once you're done, take the spray again. And I love this spray. I tried other hairsprays, kind of just didn't work the way this one works, so I really like this brand. And it secures for sure. Yeah, just do that. And I'm gonna take my silk scarf and I'm gonna tie this baby down like this. And you're gonna wrap it. And this is like where I normally do my makeup and stuff, or you know, you can take a shower, whatever, what have you. Do your skincare routine, whatever you do. This is where I normally do that at. Ooh. But I'm just going to leave this on for about 20 minutes. Well, 10 to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. All right, so it's been about like 15 minutes. So let's take it off and let's see what we are working with. I kind of tied this pretty tight. All right, it looks good to me. This is kind of like what I do, and from here, however it was set, just kind of let it lay however it kind of wants to. As you can see, everything is like how I put it before I tied it down. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how, like, I set everything. This is like the front. And don't tie it down too tight, or you're gonna have like these marks like I do on my forehead right now. But other than that, everything is just like how I laid it, which is what I like. So I don't want nothing like too defined. You can go in there and make designs, or you don't even have to like lay them down like that. You can just set it going straight back and just make sure everything is like flat and laid down. Now, I don't leave my wigs on like at night or anything like that. I just take them off at the end of the day. So what I do to release what we just set is, when you're washing your face, washing your makeup, just take the water and just rub the water along your hairline and then just remove it. Like, you don't like need any alcohol, you don't need any type of like lace release or anything like that. Just take some water and just rub it on your hairline like a little bit, and it's just going to loosen up like the hairspray and the gel, and you just take it right off. You don't have to worry about anything else. And then wipe your hairline, wipe the product out, and then reapply it the next day if you want. You can sleep in it. You can sleep in it. Just make sure you wrap your hair up at night to make sure everything stays intact. And then I would just like maybe do like a little fresh coat of spray the next day. But other than that, you really don't need much. Like, it's really not much to it, and you get the same effect, you get the same outcome as you would with any lace tape or any glue, I believe. So you can tell like this isn't going anywhere. She's not going anywhere, so you don't have to worry about it sliding back or anything, because she's on there. She's on there to stay, and she's not playing any games. Just what works for me. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you try out this method. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you like it, etc, etc. And yeah, I really enjoyed this video. Like I said, I am not a hairstylist, so whatever, but this just works for me. Like, this is what works with me, and it's super simple, and I don't have to worry about my edges underneath being ripped out, pulled out, because even one hair being pulled out, that's one too much, you know what I'm saying? So let's cut all that bull crap, and let's just try to find like a different way how to apply these lace, frontals, whatever, what have you. So I found what way works for me. So let me know if you try it down in the comment section below. And if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and join the garden on today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.